Let me show you the 2 secrets to make your car, truck, or van run 500,000 miles. So we're heading to a job, and you can see we've got 532,000 miles. 532,000 miles. We drive this truck every day. Hey, good afternoon. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Do you want to know how to keep your car, truck, van running for 500,000 miles? Let me show you 2 secrets that I've learned over the past 30 years. So today we're working on a 2008 Chevy Express 3500. This is a 1-ton van. It's just like a truck. It's got a huge 6.0 liter engine in it, and we tow things with it every day. And what we're going to do first is change the oil. And you can see what it calls for is 5W30. And here's secret number 1. Secret number 1 is to use Valvoline. And I always have used the high mileage or synthetic in these trucks and vans. And we have run our vehicles, for years. And this is secret number 1, is make sure that you use Valvoline. I don't think there's a better oil on the market. So we get our wrench onto that oil plug and loosen that up. And then we can just spin it by hand. Make sure you have your container to catch your oil. And if you've just run your truck or car, whatever, it could be hot, so be careful. There we go. And we'll let that drain. You see our plug. Actually, this oil looks pretty good, but we're going to change this oil with Valvoline. And coming up is secret number 2. I have used Fram filters ever since I was just a young boy. And I'll tell you what, this van has 500,000 miles on it, and we drive it every day. I don't think there's a better filter made. Let's go ahead and change the filter. So you can see this is a quite dirty truck, and this is a Fram filter. Let's see if we can clean it off there. So you can tell right away this is a Fram filter, and yeah, we drive our trucks through the mud and dirt, and this is what happens, it just gets all dirty under here. But that's not hurting anything. Sometimes we wash it off though, get it nice and clean. Let's pull this filter out. Kind of locks in place. Break it loose. A lot of dirt behind that filter. Then we can just spin it off. Make sure we got our oil pan underneath of here. You can see, the only thing I don't like about the Chevy, I've said it in almost all the videos, is look how the oil comes all over you when you unscrew this thing. Can you see that? It just comes all over the place. So I'm just kind of looking, everything looks really good there. We're going to go ahead and put our new filter up. Put our new filter up on there. Tighten it up. We need to put some oil around this O-ring just use your finger, rub a little bit of oil on there. That'll make a really nice tight seal and it won't leak. And we're all set. Fram oil filter, look at that. That's secret number 2. Now we're just gonna tighten up our bolt, our plug. And we're all set. So it's always a good idea to wipe up that extra oil, excess oil. That way you can check for leaks. Okay, let's put some oil in here and fire it up. I think that Valvoline is the absolute best oil made. Although, you know, all the oils work good. If you change your oil regularly, your car will last a long time. Like I said, we've got 500,000 miles on here, and we're very regular about changing our oil. This is a 6.0 liter engine, and it calls for 6 quarts. So we're putting 5 quarts of the high mileage and 1 quart of full synthetic in here. That's secret number 3. So those are the real secrets of having your car, truck, van run 500,000 miles. You know, really, the secret is this, that Fram oil filter. I know a lot of people knock it. I've seen videos where they take the filter apart and say how crappy it is. But you know what? We've got 500,000 miles on this truck, and we drive it every day. So I'm a firm believer, and I would suggest that you give it a try. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.